Hello, today we're going to start our art that has lots of different facial expressions. We're going to use watercolor and we're going to take really good care of our palettes. So to start, you're going to get your brush wet. And I like to control my shapes by getting a little area wet first. And then I can put my brush into the color, swirl my brush to pick up that bright purple, and then add it into the water shape. So there I made a nice little wet puddle, and I cleaned my brush and added blue. So in between every color, you're gonna pounce your brush, wipe it on the edge of your water cup, and then add a new puddle of clean water so that we can control and make separate puddles of color. Each color on your art is going to be a face. Now, two of them might accidentally touch, and that's okay. We'll just leave it. But I want you to really see if you can keep the puddles separate. Here I am now using some orange, and I'm going to use that water that was there. I pounce the brush, scrape it on the edge, and then I can add more water and continue with my painting. My color dots or ovals will be a couple of different sizes because people's heads are different sizes. We might have some small heads and some larger heads. Here I was very careful not to let the red touch the green because they would definitely mix in a way that you might not want. Make sure you get to try lots of the colors in your palette. And your colors will stay nice and clean as long as you pounce your brush in your water and scrape off the extra color. Notice also my table is not getting splashed because I'm very carefully pouncing my brush to clean it in the bottom of the water tub. So here is me getting close to the end of my work. I'm going to go back in where I see a space that has room and add some more dots. It might be a smaller dot. It might be a skinnier dot. So be sure and try and get your paper about this full of dots before you're done. When you're finished, make sure you hold your watercolor flat as you carry it. Do not hold it on its side, and put your dirty brush into the dirty brush bin.